Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see pure handloom soft silk sarees. All these sarees are putta sarees. We have both borderless and tissue border in this collections. So before that, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we upload fresh collections. This is the first saree, a beautiful blue with violet combination. A rich pallu and gold zari work, and all over the saree you have a beautiful gold and silk thread alternatively weaved puttas. And next is a chocolate with pink combination. You'll get a contrast blouse in pink color. So we have both borderless and tissue border in this video, so please do check this video fully for all the colors and designs. Each one is a unique design and a unique color combination. All these are budget friendly pure handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. Comes with a SILKMARK certified. So the puttas comes all over the saree. Till end of the saree you will get this puttas. So you can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over India and we do have international shipping as well. So please do WhatsApp us for booking. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. Also, you can call us and visit us directly as well for more collections. Our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. So please do call us and you can visit us for more collections. We have more collections in our YouTube channel, so please do check our YouTube channel. All these are our own manufacturing sarees, comes with a wholesale price. So all these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified for the purity of original silk. So please don't miss these collections. Book your favorite saree. All these comes under a wholesale price. The approximate price range of these sarees are 5,500 to 6,000. To know the exact price, you can WhatsApp us for the booking. Also, please do check our YouTube channel for more collections. A very beautiful blue with bottle green combination. So we do have video call facility as well, so you can contact us for that. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.